And we are back. So I have some more time here now, so let's just look at the case again. This is where your pistol's supposed to go. And then the square it again. I just thought there'll be 2 more tools. I don't know why. But it's fun. It's a fun little thing. And so get nice instructions with it, so we'll read it later. So what is this? You guys know. First of all, I just found my new Benchmade, my first Benchmade, and that I like the access lock. I love it. And probably the only thing that I always find to like to see in my knives is the thickness of the stock. This thing here, too thin for my taste. I found this. Very reasonably priced in my opinion. I love those. And I don't care for the Agent K brand. I didn't buy it because of that reason. Let's take this out. Check it out. Check this out. 0.15 of an inch. See a difference here? Nice G10. It's the 14255 model. Got wicked jimping. Tanto blade. Small recurve here. Probably need to do sharpen this with the rod. The final bevel of the blade. Hey, a phone. Who's bothering me now? Oop, the white. Just 1 second, guys. Alright, there's going to be a lot of editing here. So let's look at the blade here. I was just saying that this has some secondary bevel. The grinding is I mean, you can see that they have a hard time grinding this recurve here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the final grind here is it's not even all the way across the blade. 154 cm. Now let's check this on this receipt here. Yeah, I wouldn't really call it sharp. Yeah, I wouldn't call this sharp. I would kind of call it the opposite of sharp. How can I sharpen this? Alright, this is gonna suck. Well, we'll give it a try. The knife itself feels great in the hand. Very thick liners. Not milled out. You can see here the mechanism of the axle lock. Right, flicks out. Looks nice. Okay, last knife. Let's clear this out of the way. Out of the way, thank you. For a first of a kind, very excited to have this. Ta-da! Easy. Oh, this is my first EC, and I have great plans for this knife. Rat 4 or EC4. They only had, this is of course from Knifeworks, they only have the black, and I think this is a linen micarta. Very nicely done here. Spacers. Nice job. Okay, this and yeah, okay. So this is sharp. Very sharp. This is a new logo, I think. Rowan knives. Fits my hand well. Number 3068. Beautiful. I heard a lot of good things about this coating. It's supposed to be very durable. Let's look. Now, nice Kydex sheet. Nice. Good retention. Love the lanyard. And some molly, I think, for survival. Some tips. So this is it, guys. I have some plans for this fixed blades. This is going to be the fixed blade for me, and we're gonna have some fun, and I hope to document it and to share it with you guys. So thank you very much for this confused video, and have a nice one.